10 foods to clean the liver. Cleaning the liver is a widespread health practice used for thousands of years. The idea behind this practice is that you can help cleanse your liver and other organs by consuming certain foods. Doing so can eliminate harmful toxins from your body and increase your overall health and vitality. Before continuing, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do so. This will give us the power to continue making content like this. Garlic. Garlic is an excellent source of antioxidants and can lower your cholesterol and blood pressure. Garlic also contains selenium and vitamin B6, which are critical for your liver health. Garlic helps to regulate blood sugar levels by reducing insulin resistance in the body. It may also reduce the risk of cancer by boosting antioxidant activity in your bloodstream. And if all that weren't enough, there's even more good news about garlic. Science has shown that eating an ounce, about 2 to 3 cloves, daily can reduce heart disease risk factors like high blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a great food to clean the liver. It contains vitamin C, which can help with detoxification and weight loss. Grapefruit has anti-inflammatory properties that may help with conditions like arthritis, eczema and psoriasis. Beets and carrots. Beets and carrots are both great for your liver. They're both high in fiber, which can help you feel full. Carrots are also a good source of vitamin A, essential for healthy skin and eyesight. Since beets have such high amounts of iron, which helps regulate blood pressure, they're a good choice if you have anemia or low hemoglobin levels. But don't worry, the iron content isn't enough to cause any side effects. Green tea. Green tea is an excellent source of antioxidants. It contains cancer-fighting properties, as well as many other health benefits. Green tea can help you lose weight by lowering your blood pressure and decreasing inflammation, which can lead to heart disease. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that make it great for relaxing after a long day at work or school. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are great for cleansing the liver because they're high in vitamins, minerals and fiber. The liver needs a lot of these nutrients to function correctly. You can help ensure that your body has all the supplements it needs by eating plenty of leafy greens each day. And if you want to go beyond basic salads, try some other ways to prepare them. Leafy green vegetables like kale or spinach also contain chlorophyll, a substance that helps plants absorb carbon dioxide, which makes them great at cleaning out toxins from the body's cells. Chlorophyll also acts as an antioxidant and boosts memory function. So if you're looking for something new on your plate this week, why not try some fresh leaves instead? Avocados. Avocados are rich in good fats and antioxidants. 2. Avocados are also a great source of vitamin E and B vitamins, which help your body function properly. 3. They're packed with potassium, which helps to maintain normal blood pressure. They're loaded with fiber, a nutrient that helps control cholesterol levels by reducing the amount of LDL, bad cholesterol in your bloodstream. 1. Apples. Apples are a good source of fiber, which helps to lower blood pressure. They also contain antioxidants that help to fight free radicals and prevent heart disease. Apples are rich in vitamin C, which is suitable for your immune system and helps keep your skin healthy. The color of an apple can be affected by the way it was grown. For example, green apples tend to be more tart. Try expanding your own if you want an apple with less sugar than most commercial varieties sold at grocery stores. Walnuts. Walnuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids. They're also a great source of protein. They're a good source of vitamin E, fiber, and vitamin B1, thiamine. Lemons and limes. Lemons and limes are high in vitamin C, which is an essential nutrient for the liver. Vitamin C helps to flush out toxins from your body and improve your immune system. It also helps boost your mood and energy levels by improving circulation within the body and reducing stress. Olive oil. Olive oil is one of the best foods for cleaning your liver. It's high in antioxidants, which means it helps fight against free radicals and inflammation. Antioxidants are also great for reducing cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels. If you want to cleanse your liver, add olive oil to your diet once a day, or more if you wish. You can use either extra virgin or virgin olive oils, both benefit your health. By consuming these foods, you will be able to cleanse your liver. Many foods can be eaten to cleanse the liver. The most obvious of these is celery, which has been used for centuries as a detoxifying agent. It's also an excellent source of potassium and other minerals, which help keep your body healthy by reducing stress on the kidneys and heart. Other good choices include garlic and onions, which contain sulfur compounds that kill harmful bacteria in the gut, the same ones responsible for causing inflammation. Garlic also contains vitamin C, a nutrient known for boosting immunity, and magnesium salts, both help maintain proper blood pressure levels throughout our circulatory systems. Conclusion: eating these foods can help to clean your liver. The liver is a vital organ that cleans and processes toxins from the body, so if you want to improve your health, this process needs to work correctly. Consuming these foods regularly will help keep your liver healthy and strong, which means fewer toxins enter your bloodstream. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the videos, please subscribe to our channel. That way, you'll never miss an episode, and we can continue to make them. See you soon.